I'm Rachel from Slipstick, and I'd like to introduce you to Slipstick's premium bed risers. This is the 5-inch or 130mm set of 4 furniture risers in a black finish. Slipstick's premium risers are heavy duty with a 660-pound or 300kg rating each, plus a new steel reinforced top plate. The base has rubber dimples to protect floors and stop movement, and the top contains a foam insert to hold and cushion casters and legs. To install, simply raise the bed on each side and slide underneath. This is easier done with 2 people. With the extra height, you can easily fit 8 full-size storage tubs under a queen bed, which is great when you're short on storage space. It's like adding an extra wardrobe. The riser is also perfect for a bed on caster wheels, as the foam insert cushions and holds the wheel in place. All Slipstick risers are backed by our 5-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.